Star Hagler with the Ross Hagler Group, and I'm here in one of my favorite neighborhoods in Union County today, Country Woods East. I'm helping one of my high school friends sell her first home, and we're very excited to help their family out, and you need to come check out this home because it's on a cul-de-sac. It's in great condition, a ranch floor plan, and I'm really excited that we're getting this listed today, even in the rain. So come on out, check out this home in Country Woods East, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.